Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Okay guys, now we're gonna load the covers. By now we already sort every single cover. We know where it belongs, so there is no confusion. And the only tool that we're gonna need is our pocket knife, which you guys know is dull, it's not really sharp, it's just to cut the pull. So we have access for the hack ring. You're gonna have normally pliers like this. This is for the hack rings and obviously the hack rings. So the loading process, guys, is nothing else than prepare all the pulls and put them in every single piece. It's not the fully trimming of the cover. It's just so we can secure all the pulls in place. So for example, in this one, because the process is gonna be the same for all of them. We put it in here, we center our cover, and with our little knife, I'm doing this way so you can see. Once we have it in the center, the phone normally has the marks where the pulse or the hack rings goes. So we just make a small incision because this incision aids in the process of the installation. That's all it is. We load the cover with the hack rings. There you have it, guys. That's one section. Then I'm gonna do this section right here, and I'm gonna ended up doing the headrest. Always you center your cover and then you do the hack ring. And the last two goes here in the headrest. We always find the center. We make the incisions for the headrest. And then we put the hack rings. Now guys, for this particular vehicle, the trimming process or the full trim process. In this particular car, it has clips all around the plastic. So we gotta be careful with that. Just want you to see how I gonna fold it. because that's the step 2 once we have all the covers loaded. So I'm gonna load them all just so you can see how we turn it over. And the last step is gonna be just to trim them around the back plate. In this case, it's plastic. So that will be the whole completion. So I'm gonna stop here, guys, so I can load all the other ones. But there you have it. That's the process. Then I'm gonna come back so we can complete the trimming. Probably I'll demonstrate 2 sections. I don't want to demonstrate all of them because it's the same process over and over and over. Yeah, so you can see how the process goes. I'll continue in the next video. If you have questions, put it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you.